If you've been in the hobby for any time at all, you've probably seen in maintenance of way trains this typical situation, a flat car with a wheel load. It is a common prototype, and this is how a lot of them look like in model form. This is really not a flat car with a wheel load. Real prototypical wheels don't have these dangerous pointy axles on the end, nor the wheels like plastic, and they have more of a real look to them. So what seems like a simple thing to add to your model railroad, it's like, well, that's not what I wanted. But there is a solution. This is Tony Cook, and this is what's in the box. Actually, it's what's in the bag. These come bagged. This is from Class 1 Model Works. And I was talking about how a wheel load on a flat car seems like such a simple thing to conjure up, but then when you really think about it, you're not even close. This new accessory available from Class 1 gives you everything you need to do it, and it all looks right. I've got a review of this in Model Railroad News, and I'll put up a link for that. But what amazed me about this is everything comes decorated and ready to go. See the blue bearing, this, and there's a number of different types. This is the one with the Brenco painted blue bearings, and see the sticker on the ends. Just amazing looking stuff, and different size wheels as well. It's not just a one standard. There are a bunch, and this is made out of plastic, and it fits on the provided, that's a 60-foot flat car load. There's a couple of different size loads, and there's different style wheels. This is the one I put together for Model Railroad News, and just very simple. This is the old Athearn 50-foot flat car. This is one of the Roundhouse releases from recent years, where it's ready to roll, and I've just tacked down the provided Class 1. This is for a 50-foot flat bed, and then you've got a whole bag. I don't have it completely full here. You see in the review in the magazine that I do have it all set up, but these can be left to where they're free because they will stay in place as it runs back and forth and can handle some handling, or you could tack them down with a little bit of cement if you wanted. There's a bunch of different styles available. I've got a link in the description below, but check this out. It is such an authentic looking flat car on wheel load with no work at all, and it's a very inexpensive accessory to add to make a quick project like this. So again, I have it in Model Railroad News as a review. Here's a look at what's in the bag. These come bagged from Class 1, and they're available now, so check them out.